In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your wallet address in MetaMask. If you've ever needed to receive crypto, connect to a dApp, or share an address for a transfer, this is the exact process you'll use. Your wallet address is a public identifier similar to a bank account number, and it's safe to share for receiving funds. Just remember, this is not your secret recovery phrase or password. Start by going to MetaMask. You can open the MetaMask portfolio in your browser or launch the MetaMask extension if that's what you typically use. Make sure you're signed into the account you intend to use. If you have multiple accounts, keep in mind which one you want the address from so you copy the correct details. Once MetaMask is open, head to the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a clean overview of your wallet, including balances and quick access to key actions. It's the easiest place to find your address without digging through different menus. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait for the account information to appear. Next, go to the tokens section. Tokens shows the assets associated with your wallet, and it also brings the account area into focus. This section is helpful because it presents your account context alongside your balances, reducing the chance you copy an address from the wrong view. Now, look for your wallet address near your account name. It will look like a string that starts with 0x, followed by a mix of letters and numbers. Click directly on that address. When you click it, MetaMask opens a small panel that highlights your account titled My Accounts. This is a quick access area that confirms which account you're viewing and provides a simple way to grab the address without leaving the page. In the My Accounts panel, click Copy to Clipboard. As soon as you do, MetaMask copies your full wallet address. You may see a brief confirmation message indicating the copy was successful. From here, your address is ready to paste wherever you need it, whether that's an exchange, a friend's chat, or a form asking for a receiving address. That's the entire process. Open MetaMask, go to the dashboard, switch to tokens, click your address, open the My Accounts panel, and select Copy to Clipboard. A quick reminder before we wrap up, while your wallet address is safe to share, never share your secret recovery phrase or any passwords. With your address copied, you're ready to receive funds or connect confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made it clear and simple.